Hello friends, how are you? Today we will going to create a new background in Inkscape 1.4. This is the very new and latest version of Inkscape, and this is the my uh, application, and I am writing my own text and align to the center. And now we are going to resize my text, convert it to path and ungroup it. After the ungrouping, again ungroup it so we can select our nodes, and so we can select our node. Now we will apply extension, or you can see this is the live effect, and I am going to use this option to modify my text. You can modify according to your need. Now carefully hold these nodes from the corner and now select the bottom one and apply the same live path effect and modify it. There is many nodes, but you have to select the corner one very carefully. If you need more adjustment, then you can do it, but this is sufficient for me. Now go to path and again convert it to path. So our text is finalized. Friends, we will create more version of this text. So union it. After the union, duplicate it and change the color after duplication, and now select this one and apply the outline for this text. Adjust the setting. You have to apply the value according to your text size. Now convert stroke to path. Now we have to ungroup it and go to path and click on union. Before ungrouping, again you have to click on ungroup. Now we will click on union. So this is our new text. Now select the both and align it to center. Open the alignment dialog box. Or you can adjust it like this. Duplicate it and change the color. Before applying the alignment, we have to do more adjustment for our design. Now select the both one and we have to adjust the size of the both. Now select this one, click on raise to top. I think our text is okay, but I think there is some correction bottom. Anyway, we will do it later. First I want to see how will appear my design. Now drag it to above. Now duplicate this one. I just want to keep it as a copy. Now select only these two and apply the extrude extension. Before applying, we can see the preview. Now we have to remove the outline of extrude object. So hold down shift key and click on none color to remove the outline. Select only this one and hold down shift key and click on none color. Now we have to adjust the color of extrude object. I think this is okay. Now we have to ungroup it and again in group and click on union. So this is now a single object. Now select this one and keep it like this. I think this is okay now. So we are going to adjust all the object. Now keep these to bottom and apply the same extension. Now again we have to remove the outline of the extrude object. First we have to ungroup it and hold down shift key and click on none color to remove the outline. Now union it. So now green one is a single object. Remove the transparency. You can change the color. Now select these two carefully and adjust it like this. I think there is some correction in bottom object, so we will modify it. Now remove the green one and adjust the red one and resize it like this. Now select the red and blue object, go to extension and apply the extrude extension again. Now remove the outline, hold down shift key and click on none color. Now send it to bottom, the second object. Now again select the extrude object and again select the extrude object and go to object and group it. After the grouping, go to path and click on union. So now this is a single object. Remove the transparency. We can change the color. Now select this object and duplicate it Now hold down shift key and now you can apply the outline. Actually I need white outline, so we have to make it like this. First we have to resize it, uh, resize the outline size. Now select all these. We have to select all these together, so this will change with the same size. Now we need some more adjustment. Select this one, change the color, and adjust it like this. Now select this one and send it to bottom. I think this is okay now. Now create a circle, convert it to path and apply the radial gradient and change the color. Now we have to create a small circle. We will use title clone to make a halftone circle. Keep these only two object like this. Now select the small one only and go to the title clone and apply the same setting. You can see the opacity is selected. So we have created our design. Now select this one and delete it. After creating, we have to carefully select the bottom object and select all these and click on union. Now remove the transparency and change the color. Select this one and remove the transparency from the bottom, not alpha. This was alpha, but this is transparency. So now we are going to create our background for my design. I have created a small rectangle and modify it like this. Modify this object like this. Now change the center point of this object. Double click on the object and change the center point, and hold down Ctrl D and rotate it. Ctrl D and rotate it. Press Ctrl plus D and rotate it. We need some more object. Okay, select the nodes and you can adjust it like this. This is okay now. Now select all these and keep all these together and go to object and click on union. Now select another rectangle. I think there is problem. Select these two and union it. Now select only these two and click on intersection. Again select carefully and click on intersection. Change it to bottom. Now this will not work, so we have to create a small circle in center and select with this. Click on path and click on difference. Now go to path and click on break apart. Now we can select one by one these object. Now I am going to create some more design. Create some more object like this. You can create randomly. I think this is okay. We don't need to modify it. Now create a rectangle for the background and apply the gradient, radial gradient, and edit the color. And send it to bottom. Now select these lines randomly and change the color. Now select the rest of this object and change the color. Now we have to change the color of the text. Now select one by one all these and apply the gradient for the above object. Remove the transparency from the gradient. We will use light shade for the above object. Change the color. Now select this one. Change the color. Now select the outline of the text and change the color. Hold down shift key and click on white color to change the outline color. Actually I am changing the shade of upper object. Now we have to select our object carefully and change the color. Now select the red one or this one and change the color. Select the red one and use the dark color for this. I think this is okay now. Now select this one from the bottom and change the color. We will use some blur effect for the bottom object. I think we need some modification. Yes, so this is okay now. Now select this a small object and resize it and change the color of the small object, and we have to arrange our small object randomly. You can adjust it according to your need or according to your style. Now select all these small object carefully. Now duplicate it. After the duplication, group it. Press Ctrl plus G to group it, and you can group it like this. After grouping, I am going to duplicate it again. Change the color. I think this is okay. Now we have created shadow of the small object. Now select this object. We have to create one more copy of this object. Select all these and group it, or you can click on raise to top. Now we adjust the halftone circle like this. Change the color, duplicate it. Now select with this and send it to bottom. Select only these two and click on lower to bottom. So guys, we have created our design. I know you can make better than me. Please try it with your own color combination, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Your support is very important for me. So guys, thank you, and thank you for watching.